Hey Kickstarters, I'm Ado.
Ciao, I'm Ilaria.
And this is Notabag, an innovative combination of a bag and a backpack. The idea came to me during a trip to the local farmer's market. It was one of those situations that most of you are familiar with. The grocery bag filled up pretty quickly, but I still had to ride my bike back home. And that's when the real fun began. No, seriously, things got pretty tricky once I found myself in the middle of a busy city traffic, trying to maneuver my bike while having a heavy shopping bag on my handlebar bumping against my front wheel. I couldn't help but wish that I had my backpack with me, or that I could carry my shopping bag over my shoulders. At that moment, I started visualizing how a simple bag could be transformed into a backpack. That's when the Notabag idea was born. It is not just a bag, it is more than that. We spent almost a year prototyping and refining the bag, making sure that its design has been stripped down to its bare minimum, without the need for any additional features such as buttons or Velcro. It is the distinctive shape that allows Notabag to transform itself seamlessly. Inside of the bag, there's an attached pocket where you can keep your wallet or your keys. When the bag is not in use, it can be folded into that pocket, which becomes a hand-sized pouch that can be easily carried around. With its innovative design and functionality, switching from a bag mode to a backpack mode happens almost intuitively. You only need to pull the straps on the side to transform the bag into a backpack. To switch back, you pull both straps back to the original position. Now we have arrived at the point where we feel confident to introduce Notabag to the rest of the world. Up until now we were making our Notabags in our tiny living room. This is where you, Kickstarters, come in. With your donation you can help us achieve a scaled up production where minimum material and unit quantities are required. You will enable us to make this revolutionary product available to everyone.
We know you're going to love your Notabag. It's an eco-friendly product that is so simple and yet so useful. It will easily grow on you and will enrich your life in more ways than one. But most importantly, it will put a smile on your face.
Be one of the first people to own a Notabag. Later, you can tell everyone that you've been with us since the beginning. Thank you, Kickstarters.
Thank you.